Jane and Reviews here, and today I'm reviewing this free sample by Doctor's Recipes. So it's an iron 65 mg plus vitamin C. So there's 60 pills in here. This is how they look. This is how they look. So it is a supplement with iron. I enjoy it. I like it. You easily swallow it with water or juice. I like to drink it in the middle of the day because it does support that extra boost of energy, but just a little bit, not a lot. I like the benefits that it has. I believe that the pills are great. I like it also because the product is non GMO, is vegan, lab tested, and GMP. So I hope you give them a try, you check them out. Here are some nutritional facts that you can read. And I honestly like it because it's also stomach friendly. So I hope you check it out and thank you for watching.